Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add Spotify Wrapped to home screen. The process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify and you will find your Wrapped 2021 here. So you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, your wrapped songs folder is open. Now you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. So click on it and a menu will appear here. Now scroll up and here you will see add to home screen option. So click on it. Once you will click on it, now click on the add automatically. So once you will do it, your Spotify Wrapped will be add to your home screen, as you will see. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.